Robots are reshaping industries at breakneck speed. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavus, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Dewald. This is Saturday, May 3rd, 2025. Morgan Stanley forecasts robotics as a staggering $4.7 trillion market by 2050, more than double last year's top automakers' revenue combined. Open-source AI leader Hugging Face launched the SO101, a 3D printable robotic arm that learns tasks through reinforcement learning, perfect for hobbyists and researchers. Meanwhile, Deep Robotics unveiled Rubble Rover, the world's first wheeled quadruped robot adept at navigating rugged terrain with advanced LiDAR and vision tech, ideal for disaster response and infrastructure inspection. In China, Walker S1 humanoid robots showcased collaborative multi-robot training with centralized and distributed AI brains, revolutionizing factory automation. Medical robotics advanced with MyoStep, a soft exoskeleton improving mobility for children with cerebral palsy through smart sensors and artificial muscles. From firefighting robots to robot-run burger joints, robotics continues transforming our world. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI Minute, give this video a like, and share your thoughts below.